Hello friends, let us create a simple web page with the help of HTML without using any editor. For that, go to Start button and open Notepad. In search bar, you can type Notepad, a simple application. It is a simple text editor available in all types of PC. Now first, let us increase the font size. Go to Format menu, click on Format, click on Font, and within this size palette, click on Size. You can also choose font as per your choice. Here we use Arial font. OK. Now let us begin. For HTML, use angle bracket. Type HTML. This is a starting tag. Let us make a font little big. OK. After HTML tag, there is head tag. And within head tag, we want to create a title tag. You can give any title. Web page. Then you should close the title tag with the angle bracket and slash button. Also close heading tag, head. And now main part of page include under body tag. Suppose here type one simple message. OK. Close body tag. This is closing tag. This side is indicate slash size is indicate the closing tag. And now close HTML tag. When your page is ready, go to File, click on Save. Here we simply save on desktop. Click on desktop, click on file name and give the name of file. Suppose here we save it with the help of file1 dot, give the extension HTML. This extension is very important. Click on save and close this code. Now this file is created here. You can see here the icon of your default browser. You have to just simply double click this file. You can also right click and click on open. Now this file is open in browser. Let us zoom it with the help of Ctrl and plus key. This is content included in body. This is title. And this one is our web page created in HTML. If you right click on this page and click on view page source, then this is the code we have created. Like this, without any editor, you can simply create a web page and view it on your browser. You can use any browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or simply Internet Explorer also. OK. That's all in this video. In next video, we will see how to create more web pages.